Well, what about this? You can't go past a big slice of pie on a cold winter's day. Sounds delicious, right? And whether you prefer chicken, potato, roasted vegetables, we promise these delicious recipes are easy as pie.
To show us how is the healthy chef Teresa Cutter, my old schoolmate.
spread.
Hello, welcome back, gorgeous. We are starting with a veggie pie. What
Veggie
goes
pie,
in this?
look, all of them healthy, delicious, and budget friendly.
Yeah,
which
right.
is really important.
Right.
So yeah, this is fantastic. So I've got some onions here, your basic mirepoix of vegetables. You can basically use up anything you've got in the fridge, which is fantastic.
Great idea, isn't it?
Lots and lots of garlic because you don't want to be getting the cold and flu this season, so it's a nice little antiviral. I've got some celery here. We've got mushrooms as well. Lots of vitamin D. We've got now instead of mince, I've used lentils, but you can use mince if you wanted to. You know, like if you wanted beef in your pie.
Yeah, if you were beef, or could you do a lamb mince as well? Or
You could, but this is specifically just all veggies. That's full of fibre and like some antioxidants as well, and some peas. And this is so easy. A tin of tomatoes.
Oh, this sounds good.
How cool is this? How easy is this, really? And then
Shiva's into it already.
And then
can I ruin your... This looks so amazing,
Yeah.
but I'm going to ruin it,
He's going
Teresa.
to eat while...
try it.
Yeah.
But all you need to do is you need to stir this around. You cook this for around about 20 minutes.
some of this?
And it becomes lovely and thick and beautiful. It looks like a bolognese. Check it out.
See, what a good idea. Isn't that a
And
good idea?
on the top, what I've done is I've actually topped it with a gorgeous olive oil mashed potato. So there's no dairy in this. It's made from olive oil instead of butter.
Oh, I've got the big garlic bit. Oh, no, I still
you
have
got
to sit
enough
next
mash?
to you for a while.
I love coming to the Sunrise Kitchen.
It is so delicious and creamy. Look at that. You wouldn't even know. And the secret to your mash, got to use the Desiree.
Desiree.
Oh, is that it?
Got to use the Desiree potato.
Creamier?
It's lovely and creamy, doesn't go gluggy, and it's nice and fluffy. So
So that's really cheap because no one can afford anything at the moment. So you can just whack in all your veggies in the fridge.
whack it in, you know, if you've got leftover cauliflower, broccoli, carrots, whatever you want. just put
Frozen
it all
veggies
in.
good too? Like
Frozen
just chuck
veggies,
it,
you know, and just cook it for about 20 to 30 minutes, as long as it's got a little bit of tomato in it. And I've got to put Worcestershire sauce. You've got to put that in at the end.
okay.
Yeah, I can taste that.
That's, that's going to give it the flavour and everything as well, and that'll look beautiful and delicious. And then pretty much just put the mashed potato over the top once it's all cooked.
And then in the
Put it
oven
in
for
the
how
oven
long?
For around about 40 minutes, 45 minutes.
Okay.
And then you're going to get this.
So you've got other pie options
what else
too.
have you got?
What's this one?
This is fantastic. Now, do you like coq au vin?
What's that again?
It's a chicken pie with wine.
I'm going to have to open it up. Can I open
Yeah,
it?
go
I don't want
on.
to ruin it.
Yeah,
You've done such an amazing job. They look like artworks.
This is fantastic. So you can just
Look at
make
this for a big family, hey? Wouldn't that be good?
This will feed like 6 people.
Look at that. Do you want that on your same plate?
You make all your own pastry too?
Yeah, you can make... This is a beautiful olive oil pastry that I've got in the cookbook.
Can I have some of that?
Yeah,
I'm making a
did you
meal
want
of
some
this,
that
so to
too?
speak.
Yeah.
This is fantastic
Here you
because
go.
it's got chicken thighs in there, you've got your leek, you've got your spinach, you've got lots of veggies in there as well, and it tastes sensational. And you can freeze
So
it really well
healthy.
too, but without the topping.
So good. The galette, really quickly.
Yeah,
Should we get to
why
that?
don't
We've got
that.
time
Let's
to
go to that one.
Okay, roasted pumpkin, caramelised onions, topped with some beautiful Persian feta. How good does that sound? You've got to try that. So,
had me at
Sheva,
Persian feta.
Like that bit.
Here, Sheva, you haven't got this.
Oh, my goodness. What about this? Like a smorgasbord.
Yeah.
How do we make the galette?
Okay, so the galette is really, really easy. The olive oil pastry, the recipe's in the book, but you roll it out really thinly, caramelise some onions with some balsamic, which is fantastic. Put the roasted pumpkin on the top.
Teresa.
Bake it in the oven for around about half an hour, and it comes out like this. I've just put some pomegranates on there, some, you know, and a little bit of balsamic.
Teresa,
Oh, yeah.
you've got to keep coming back.
Yeah, here's
This
some
is
balsamic.
so
This
yum.
is so amazing.
It is.
Every one of them
healthy.
very different, very healthy.
Healthy, delicious, great way of using up your fruits and vegetables or your vegetables, and it's budget friendly as well. It's
I can't
not too
believe.
expensive.
Pomegranates, so
How
good.
good is this? We went to school together for like ever. Look at what she can do.
Look at both of you. Look at both of you. You've just
amazing.
absolutely
Thank you.
brained it. Well
This
done.
is fantastic.
You
Thank
can grab
you.
all the recipes over on the Sunrise website. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.
More great ideas of Teresa Cutter's latest book, Simple, Healthy Recipes. Doesn't get more simple than that.